All new and now streaming for meetings by mail. Penn Radiology, Current Concepts in Breast Imaging. This multimodality breast imaging review is worth 17.75 AMA PRA Category 1 credits and meets MQSA CME requirements. This activity features a review of fundamentals and the latest medical technology designed to improve interpretation skills for digital breast tomosynthesis, breast ultrasound, MRI, and digital mammography. Biopsy tips and tricks will be provided as well, ensuring a well-rounded educational experience for all breast imagers. Topics include screening, breast density, novel techniques, abbreviated breast MR, imaging of special populations, BIRADS, guided biopsies, localization, high-risk lesions, axilla management, nipple-areolar complex, breast cancer biology, post-op breast, artificial intelligence, and much more. Let's take a closer look.
They've also decreased our artifact. So on previous platforms of synthetic a couple years ago, anytime there was metal or high density anywhere in the breast, it would create this like zipper and shadow artifact, possibly obscuring something that was right next to a clip. But now the algorithm is able to see that as artifact, delete it, and you're better able to interpret both the tomo images and also the synthetic imaging.
View Penn Radiology Current Concepts in Breast Imaging and meet your MQSA CME requirements. Available now at meetingsbymail.com.